How cracking are these things? They're called magic erasers. You just wet them. So what I'm doing is just cleaning out the fridge. You can see here all the residue from the cans. So all you do is just wet this thing, give it a bit of a rinse. Watch this. A little bit of elbow grease. Give that a wipe. Perfect. Show you the results after. Well, there we go, guys. Done. Probably about 5 minutes of elbow grease. It's not perfect. Looks pretty darn good though. Well, there we go. Whole fridge is done. This looks brand new.